Okay, I want to give a quick review of the Solvtin jump starter. And you can get this on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. This particular one is a midnight green, but you can also get yellow. And it'll work with both gas and diesel engines. So as you can see here, it's pretty lightweight and everything. So I'm going to quickly show you out here on my Ford F150 truck. It's a 1999, and I've actually, since the pandemic, I've had it sitting out here for 15 months now, since May of last year. I have not started the engine. Of course, it's completely dead. So I'm going to try this sucker out on the battery and see if it will jump start a battery that has been sitting with the terminals on for 15 months. Oh, almost, guys. Ah, there we go. Success. Okay, I was actually kind of surprised that it actually charged that battery that's been sitting for 15 months. As you saw there, I had to connect it twice. So the first time I connected it for about 3 minutes, started the engine, cranked the engine up. It almost turned and it didn't. So I put it on there for another 3 minutes, and sure enough, it charged. And I was like, whoa. So I was impressed with the Solvtin, 100%. One good thing I noticed is that they, of course, you have like a wall outlet. But a good thing about this particular one is it actually has a mini USB, so you can hook it up to your laptop computer or your desktop. And it also has a cigarette lighter one, so you can hook it up to your cigarette lighter. What's also cool about it is it actually has a flashlight on it. So if you just hold the power button down, it's got the one for just a regular flashlight, or you could actually have a blinker in case you have it like on the side of the road and you want to warn other vehicles. It's pretty lightweight. I weighed it. It weighs about 1 pound and 2 ounces, so pretty lightweight. It's got a nice little carrying case on it. I would highly recommend you get one of these things, not only to jump your vehicle, but also to have on hand. So for example, I'm in Florida, so there's a lot of hurricanes here, power outages, but now in the US and around the world you have rolling power outages. You can have an earthquake, just whatever. It's good to have one of these on the side in your home. Maybe get you a couple, one in your car. That way you always have a flashlight. You have a device, so it's got basically USB connectors on there, so you can connect your smartphone and charge up your smartphones if there is a power outage. You can charge up other devices and other things. Super, super handy thing to have. And again, I'll put the link in the description on Amazon where you can get it. There's actually yellow, which is a little bit less expensive. It has a little bit less features. And then here's the cameo green. I'm not a sponsor, but Solvtin did give me a promo code that you can enter in at your order for Amazon and save 20% up. So I'll put the promo code down here. If you buy one of these, give me a comment in the description. Tell me what you think. All right, thanks for watching.